What size dual-run capacitor do I need? The model #XXXXX. It has a model ZR28K1PKV230 Copeland compressor. A Emerson 1/6 of a horsepower .73 amp model #XXXXX fan. It was swollen. The wiring diagram was DWG No 9023238-01 dated January 28, 1992. It was running good before inside and outside coils clean.
Hello. Sorry you are having problems. My name is XXXXXX. I will do my best to help. Please wait to leave rating until we are finished. Sounds like a Rheem wiring diagram. Give me a few minutes to do some research for you. We'll be with you soon, hopefully with an answer. Looks like this is a 2.5-ton unit. Uses a 35/5/370 capacitor.
Is this what the Copeland ZR28K1PFV230 calls for?
That is correct.
I just want to be assured that the rating was for that model of compressor. I'm sorry for being particular, just trying to always do my best.
The wiring diagram you provided number for is for a 2.5-ton Rheem condensing unit. That is the compressor and capacitor that the Rheem website shows for the unit. I am a Rheem/Root dealer and have access to the manuals, but the site is password XXXXX preventing me from sending a link for you to open.
I apologize for testing your expertise. I thank you very much for what I believe is the best correct answer. Have a nice day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.